Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of or delete your Costco application account. So first of all, you need to simply just inside your Costco application, click on the option of your account. Now over here, you are going to see the sign out option. So you need to simply click on that and you will be sign out of your application. Now inside your mobile device, you are basically going to see this type of interface where you just have to first of all click on the option of account. Then when you are over here on the accounts section, you are going to see a bunch of different options over here. So you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the sign out option. So this way you will be able to basically sign out. Now, if you want to delete your Costco account, unfortunately, there isn't a direct delete account button inside the application. Instead, you will need to submit a privacy or account deletion request via the Costco's customer service process. So, depending on your location and applicable privacy laws, Costco may ask you to verify your identity before processing that request. So, I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.